Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of fragrances with a closer look at Lancôme's Miracle Eau de Parfum. It's a floral, spicy perfume designed for women, boasting key notes like magnolia, ginger, and amber. The bottle size I'm reviewing is the classic 50 milliliter spray, perfect for everyday use or special occasions. So let's see how this scent performs and whether it truly lives up to its promise of being long-lasting. Lancôme Miracle is known for blending bright floral tones with a spicy warmth. Magnolia brings a fresh, delicate floweriness, while ginger adds a lively, zesty kick. Amber rounds it out with a warm, slightly sweet depth, creating a balanced fragrance that aims to be both vibrant and elegant. This combination targets those who want a scent that's fresh but with an edge, something that can work from day to night. Now, about my experience. I incorporated Miracle into my daily routine, applying it both in the morning and occasionally for evening outings. The spray is easy to use and dispenses a fine mist that feels light on the skin without overwhelming right away. On application, the ginger note is the first to hit, fresh and slightly spicy, but not overpowering. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, the magnolia softens the profile into a more floral and airy experience. The amber note stays subtle, but provides a cozy finish that lingers nicely. What stood out to me is its real staying power. I wore it on a busy day, running errands, working, even stepping out for dinner, and the scent held up impressively for over 6 hours, fading gently rather than disappearing abruptly. That's a solid performance compared to many other floral perfumes that tend to fade quickly. On the downside, I found that the amber undertones could feel a bit heavy if you apply too much, especially in warmer weather. It's definitely a scent that leans toward cooler days or evening wear for me. Also, while the fragrance is sophisticated, it might not appeal to those who prefer ultra-light citrus-based perfumes or something more gourmand. Here's a quick rundown of the pros. The composition is beautifully balanced, the longevity is above average, and the application feels smooth without irritation. The bottle design is elegant yet practical, fitting comfortably in hand with a secure spray mechanism. For cons, it's a bit pricey for a 50 milliliter size, and the amber note might not suit everyone's taste or climate. Speaking of price, Lancôme is a premium brand, and this fragrance reflects that in both cost and quality. For those who appreciate a nuanced floral spicy scent with lasting power, it offers good value. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a similar floral vibe, there are lighter eau de toilettes from other brands that might fit better, though they usually sacrifice some longevity and complexity. Compared to other floral perfumes in the mid to high-end range, Miracle stands out because of its spicy ginger note, which adds a unique brightness you don't find in every floral scent. It's less sweet and more vibrant than some popular options, making it great for women who want a fresh but not overly sugary fragrance. The packaging reflects Lancôme's luxury standards. A sturdy glass bottle with a minimalist design, which looks beautiful on any vanity. The sprayer delivers an even mist, which helps with controlling the amount applied, essential for fragrances with a potent amber base like this one. Although I haven't interacted directly with Lancôme's customer service for this product, the brand's reputation is solid when it comes to support and authenticity, so you can feel confident buying through official retailers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, Lancôme Miracle Eau de Parfum offers a well-crafted balance of floral and spicy notes with solid longevity and an elegant presentation. It's ideal for those who enjoy a fragrance that's fresh yet warm, perfect for cooler days or evenings. If you want a scent that's sophisticated without being overly sweet, Miracle could be a lovely addition to your collection. However, if you prefer something lighter or more budget-conscious, you might want to explore other options. If you've used Miracle, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it fits into your fragrance wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.